Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya and today's topic is 5 ways to make your CV stand out from the crowd. So today I'm going to share with you some techniques to help you stand out from your competition. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to use powerful words throughout your resume. So you want to use words like implemented, develop, accomplish. The second thing that you want to do is you want to highlight your results. So how have you helped your company? What pain points can you solve? The third thing you want to do is you want to share your growth. So you want to highlight your promotions and new skills that you have gained. The fourth thing that you want to do is you want to use keywords throughout your resume to get through the applicant tracking system. So I know a lot of people are aware of the applicant tracking system. A lot of people are not aware of the applicant tracking system. So let me share this with you. Let's say I have a customer service representative position open. There are 100 people that are applying to this position. Out of the 100 people, our applicant tracking system is going to narrow down to the top, let's say 30 people. So now I have 30 people in front of me. I am going to look at your resume and I am going to break it down to the top 5 to 10 candidates. Out of the 5 to 10 candidates, I am going to target the top 3 to 5, and I am going to schedule a day and time to speak with you so that I can present you over to the hiring managers. So the first thing that you want to make sure you are doing is using keywords to get through the applicant tracking system to have greater chances of receiving a phone call from a recruiter. And lastly, customize your resume. You hear me say this all the time. Mirror the job description. The job description also has keywords to get in front of candidates like you. So for example, Indeed, there are tons of organizations that are hiring who are looking for top candidates like you. And in order for you to find their job on Indeed, they are using keywords to get in front of you. So mirror that job description so that you can utilize those keywords to get through their applicant tracking systems. Now, if you need help creating a job-catching resume, click the job description below and one of our experts will contact you. See you next Friday.